YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Oh, we got a fun video for you guys today. The past couple months there have been a ton of viral Asian makeup videos where these girls will basically show themselves before makeup, right? And then they'll completely transform into a different person after makeup. Have their phone in front of them and they're acting like sexy and like, oh my god, I'm so beautiful with makeup, but I'm so ugly without it. And we're gonna do that today, you guys. One of you guys actually sent me a video and I am going to recreate a look like this and recreate the video. I started watching the first transformations and I told myself, okay, Xena, stop. Right now, we are going to record and do the challenge for YouTube. Here's a video that my follower linked me. Ooh. She looks so good after makeup. Someone said, when I saw her nails, I knew sis was about to go off. Ooh. She looks like an anime character, you guys. Her eyes look so much different. Someone said about this one, what is Captain Levy doing here? I'm not gonna play the whole video because it's 3.5 minutes long. I'm just gonna get started, but first I have to record my before video. A lot of these videos actually use a filter to make their eyes a little bigger and face more, I guess, beautiful. I'm not gonna use a filter. I'm just gonna go for it, you guys. This song is actually pretty cool. I think that the makeup look I will try to recreate today is Captain Levy's makeup look. She has her nose contoured, she has her eyebrows done. They're a little more straight. I know in Asia they don't like it arched like they do in the US. Fake eyelashes on the top and the bottom. I don't have bottom lashes, but I'm gonna try to do whatever it is that I can do with what I have. She does have circle lens on. I used to wear circle lens every day, all the time, but I don't have any anymore. So I'm just gonna not do that and pretend I did. First thing is first, I will be starting out with my brows. So for this, you want your brows straighter more than arched. The song they used in this video is actually pretty cool. I messaged the person who made it that I could use it in this video. I'll link all his info in the description box. Now I'm taking a foundation that is a little bit lighter than the foundation that I normally use. I actually hate this foundation, however, it is the lightest one I have. I'll use like a lot of white eyeliner on my bottom lashes just to make my eyes look bigger, because I'm not gonna be using an app and I don't have circle lens. I don't have any circle lenses and I don't wanna wait like 3 weeks for them to ship to me. I'm looking at the video again and it looks like she contoured the sides of her nose up here into her eyebrows. It doesn't really look like she did anything to her actual eyelid or even here, but it's hard to tell because like her hair is covering parts of her face. So what I am going to do is I think I'm just gonna wing it. I got my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in light to medium and I'm taking this middle shade here, which is a very cool tone. What is this called? I'm actually not sure what that shade is called because it's not listed in order. So I got some of that on my brush and I'm just going to contour here. Is it noticeable? I don't think it is. I'm going to take a different brush with that shade and try to place it there. And that is definitely more noticeable. So just darken this up here. I'm just gonna keep blending that and then we're going to fan that out this way. And then I'll take some more on my original brush and just go down my nose with it. I am going to take the banana shade in the middle. I'm gonna go down my nose with it. I'm putting some of that powder on the sides of my nostrils here. It'll make your nose look smaller. Her lips do look big in the video, so I'm going to take more of that contour shade and just put it right here. This is my favorite hack, by the way. I do this all the time and it makes my lips look so big. And now I'm taking an eyeliner and I am going to put that along my lower lash line. Okay, before I finish this eye, I am going to take a white eyeliner and put it on my lower lashes and my waterline. This right here is what makes your eye look bigger. Like, you do this and you don't even need circle lenses. Okay, I'm gonna go over that with a white eyeshadow. Oh god, that looks kind of freaky. Alright, I'm gonna take the dark brown eyeshadow and then I'm going to place that dark brown eyeshadow not on the lash line. I'm gonna place it a little bit under the white. Now with that same dark matte brown, I am going to put a little bit, just the tiniest amount, in my outer corner. And you want to place it in the outer corner and you just want to blend it out. Okay, now I'm going to extend that black eyeliner just a little bit out. I actually messed up my eyeliner because I was trying to act too cute. I'm gonna fix it later. Okay, so now I am going to take a matte black and put it along where I placed the brown eyeshadow earlier. I'm not gonna place it all the way in the inner corner. I'm just gonna place it like on the outside. This is actually taking longer than I thought it would take. So I'm gonna try to hurry up now, but next is I'm going to place some brow powder right here so that my eyebrows are a little more straight. Next, I'm gonna use some blush. I'm going to use Cash by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is in the Blush Trio Pool Party. I'm gonna put a little bit on. You don't want like a lot of blush because that girl wasn't wearing blush, right? So dab that on. 2 more steps. I have my fake lashes to do and I have my lips to do. I have these heavy fake lashes right here that I'm gonna put on. I hate really thick fake lashes, but I think this will be perfect for the challenge. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on. I hope I'm in frame. I hope I am in frame. Okay, in order to make your eye just a little bit bigger than it normally is with fake lashes, what you want to do is for the inner corner, you want it as close to the lash line as possible. And then in the outer corner, you want it just above the lash line. And you want it just above it, just so it looks a little bit bigger. You know, I was gonna put fake eyelashes on my bottom, on the bottoms too. I don't even think I need them. I think that this looks good, you guys. I have hair extensions here that I got in the mail earlier this week. And I'm gonna try them out right now. After that, I'm almost done. All I need to do is put my lipstick on and then, you know, record the video. I have not used hair extensions in years. Or maybe I should just put on a wig. I'll do extensions. I hope that I actually could do this because this would definitely complete the look that I'm going for. Looking at it, I can't believe that my hair used to be this long. I like how I cut my hair and then I put in extensions. That's just lovely. What do you know, you guys? It actually does not look too bad. Last step. This took way longer than I thought it would. I'm going to put a dark lipstick on my lips and then I will take a video. I am done. That was a really old lipstick. I maybe should throw it away soon. Here is the final look for the challenge. I think that the makeup looks good even without the bottom lashes. The dark lip kind of makes me look like one of those like anime vampire character thingies, right? 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 I look like a villain. Ugh, oh god. It is time to record my video. I just turned down the lights in the back because in the video it was like the lighting kept going in and out because of it. I'm just gonna try to act as sexy as I can. final video, you guys. Watching my video, you guys. This actually took longer than I thought it would because it is now 3:35 and I started this at like 1. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you guys next video. Bye!